When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby